Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today we are going to be checking out the brand new update, the Pride update, with all of these monkeys. And him. Alright, let's go. Well, everything's rainbow. Everything's rainbow. Wait, are these like the...
Who wants to join our friend group?
Oh my god, it's a Pride update.
You want to hear my
I'm buying this flag. I need it. What the hell?
Zoom, look. Zoom.
Yo, it's the Pride update. Let's go. Alright. What? Hold on. Let me go put back on my old cosmetics. Cause I forgot I had this on it. It's for a series that I did that I still need to upload. Oh my god. Actually, here. Well, I'm putting back on all my old cosmetics. Bro, this is family friendly. Stop it.
Oh, my bad, my bad. Nikkei 30?
Oh my god. Alright, let's check out all the other stuff. Alright. Whoa. Alright. I'm looking at the other cosmetics.
Oh no.
How much is the gun?
I brought it.
Oh, 5,000.
I removed the ring. I removed the ring of the grenade. Zoom.
Yeah?
Wait, how many subscribers do you have?
86 right now.
Oh no, I just bought this.
Nice.
I just bought a dumb gun. Look at this.
I'm he slash they, so.
Wait,
I'm
Zoom,
joking.
look at this,
I'm joking. I'm a they.
Zoom, look at this. I didn't know
Yeah.
this. Get this.
What the hell?
I totally forgot they got the trans.
Wow.
They got the trans.
Oh, it's over here.
I thought this was the lesbian.
Announcement?
No, that's not lesbian. That's trans.
Zoom, look. Zoom.
Me personally, I'm pan. I'm pan, so I know about all this stuff. Okay.
Hey, can I join your bracelet friend group?
Yes. Join my friend group.
Follow me.
Yes. Can my friend join? Can my friend join?
Yeah.
Hey, you.
Everybody.
Duty.
Hey, top of duty.
Yo.
Go.
Yo. Friend group. Friend group. Come on.
Join their friend group.
Bro, follow me. Follow me.
Wait, let's make the world record for the most.
Yes. Let's do it. Let's
on the
do it.
bracelet.
Yo, you. We got 5.
Let's get those
Wait.
people.
Wait, it's our color. I just realized it's our colors. Y'all, it's our colors.
Wait, fist bump, fist bump. No, fist bump.
It's our colors.
This one.
You can friend people? Wait, I never knew that. You can actually friend people?
No, it's not friending. It's just a friendship bracelet. Well, God, it looks like friending.
I have so many people.
Follow me.
Bro, we have so many people.
I know. Oh my god, hold on. Wait, y'all. And the day breeze and the night falls.
I'm gonna give you all.
I want to make an announcement.
What the hell is? What the? Ah!
Oh my God, he has a gun.
Get away from me! Get away! Get away!
Hey, chill.
Oh my God.
He has a gun. He has a pew.
I might need this.
Lockdown. This server is on lockdown.
Oh, man out.
Oh, shit.
I said it.
He has a gun. I'm so sorry.
I like these. Yes, I need this,
You can't say it.
I repeat.
but it's a bit pricey. All right, let's check out all the other stuff. Let's look and see what's in mountains. Yo, let's see what's in mountains. Come on. Everybody go to mountains. Whoa! They changed the slide back. Finally! What the hell? Oh my god! This is a crazy update, dude. Oh my god.
Hold on, come back.
Okay, I'll race you.
All right, three of us are gonna race. Ready?
Hold on, not yet. Alright.
There's a better one in clouds.
You guys ready?
There's a better one in clouds.
You guys ready?
Let's go on this
No, not. Let's go on this one real quick. Just this one. No, this one real quick. Just this one. Alright, go. Oh, shoot. Y'all started without me even telling y'all to.
Fine, we're gonna go.
Yo, Yo, chat. Yo, I cooked. Oh my god, I cooked. Oh, you have to click that? I didn't know you have to click that. Y'all, redo. I didn't know we had to click that.
Redo.
Wait, we haven't friended Blue Guy yet.
Who?
There's a blue one back there.
Oh, yeah. Come back to the start.
Help.
When I say go, we go. When I say go, we go.
Okay.
Right.
Hey, if you pull the string, you get one more.
No, it'll take off the bracelet. Don't pull the string.
Wait,
Okay.
wait. We haven't
Okay, y'all ready? Y'all ready?
Look. There's another one.
We got another one.
Left.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
What? No, come back here, White.
3,
White, come back here. All right. 3, 2, 1,
2,
go.
1.
Yo, I'm low-key cooking. I did it! I cooked, y'all. Y'all, I cooked.
Let's go on this one.
Look at my hand. Look at my
All right.
Stop screaming.
There's like a better, way better one.
Stop screaming.
Okay. I'm recording. Okay, I'll have to cut this out, y'all. Sorry.
Alright?
Okay, I'm in the middle of recording. Jeez. Oh my God.
No, it's up here. It starts at the slide.
Oh, you gotta get on top of this.
No, wait, no. I'll be waiting for y'all.
All right, I'm here.
Shoot, Beanie's already up there. Don't start yet.
Wait for me, wait for me. Wait for Dingleberry VR.
This is like
Bro, this is
American Ninja
this is
Warrior.
family friendly, dude.
Chat, wait for Dingleberry VR, chat.
Wait, hold on. Fist bump.
Bro.
Do the fist bump thing. Wait, do the fist bump thing.
We already
Hold
did
on.
it, remember?
Girl power.
Wait, it takes our stuff away.
Oh shoot. Wait, hold on. Let's restart. Everybody restart your blade. Restart the bracelets.
Yeah, everybody restart the bracelets.
Why?
Alright.
Because we were actually the stuff was actually being taken away.
Alright.
Yo, Green, come back here. All right, let's go. Yo, what do you mean?
Alright.
Yo, I can.
Should it just be 3 of us? Should it just be 3 of
Yeah,
us?
you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I'm not cooking. No.
Did someone fall?
No. No.
Let's go! GG's, bro.
So there's an obstacle course in every single one of the maps?
Yeah, I think so.
All right, let's look at the other ones.
That's a really good one.
There's a way bigger. I think there's like a way better one, way more funner one in Beach.
No,
Alright.
Clouds is the best.
Let's go in clouds.
The best obstacle is in Clouds. Is that what you mean?
Yeah.
Wait, this works like a slide? Whoa.
No!
All right, let's go to clouds, guys.
Bro, we were laughing so hard because of like how fun it was for some reason. Beanie, why were we laughing so hard?
I don't know. We were just laughing because laughing.
Wait, chat,
It's because I had a feeling that one of us was gonna like offend the wall.
I know how to glide.
Where's the obstacle?
I get the glider.
Oh, I see it. I see the obstacle course. Y'all, just follow me. For real, that's where I'm looking for.
Here. It's over there. It's over there.
Oh, it's okay.
Go on this. Go on this.
Wait, are we going towards the start or towards the end?
We're going towards the start.
the circle. The obstacle goes in a circle.
You guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
On the line. Hey, you cheater!
Oh shoot! No, I'm going outside of my boundary.
No, you didn't.
I'm cooking. I'm cooking.
Wait, what's
I'm cooking right now, y'all.
Here.
Let's go! I did it! Alright, let's look at the other maps. Let's look at the other maps, y'all. Y'all, we don't got much time. My battery is low, y'all. We gotta check out the other maps.
Just once.
Other maps, come on.
You know what? Why don't you want me to do it?
Yeah, 3,
Ready?
2, 1.
Okay. Y'all, I'm gonna have to make another cut.
Did you fall?
Yeah.
Ugh.
Yeah, Jimmy. Yes, why are you just coming in here and looking in my room?
Hi.
Alright.
Alright, guys, come on.
Alright, let's be 3 of us. There's someone.
Where's Zoom?
I'm going down the tunnels.
Yeah, me too.
We're going to beach. Or no, canyons.
Alright,
I
Canyon.
don't think Canyon has one. I haven't seen Canyon yet.
I heard somebody talk about, like, one in canyons, but...
You think Canyons has one, or are you just being sarcastic?
There's none.
Canyon doesn't have one.
Nope, it doesn't. Let's go to beach. It's super fun.
Yeah, Beach has one. I've seen it.
I'm faster than all y'all.
No, I'm fatter.
I accidentally took off my bracelet.
Oh, dang.
Oh, dang. I'm gonna beat you. You fatty.
Hey, this is family friendly. Don't.
Oh.
Hello?
I'm tracking! No, my controllers. Oh my, please go.
Oh my god.
Alright, let's go, y'all.
I'm already injured.
Oh my god. Y'all, come on. Let's go.
Come to the start. Yeah, you
Alright,
want
let's
me
go.
to add you? Want me to add you?
Alright, you guys ready?
Alright, there we go.
Alright, you guys ready?
3, 2.
No, get.
Hey, you
Oh,
cheater!
cheater!
Come back!
Yeah, retry.
Come back, White.
Retry.
Wait. What the segment?
What the segment? No, forget about white. Let's just be 3 of us.
Alright, you ready?
Let's just do
3, 2, 1, go.
No, he's gonna
3,
get
2, 1. Stop doing that, Beanie. It's annoying.
I'm sorry, I'm not meaning to. No, we fell.
No, the race is still going. Race is still going.
Nuh-uh. Remember, we fell.
I got it. You can go.
Alright, come on. Let's redo it. Guys, come on, get back to the start. Ah! Y'all, help me! I'm stuck. I'm stuck in the door. Help! Help! I'm stuck in the door, bro. I'm stuck in the door.
Sigma, dude.
Help! I'm
I
stuck.
got you, homie. Yo, look.
Oh, thank you. Alright. You ready?
Hold up. Alright, as soon as the door opens, we go. No, you gotta get down. Get down!
Y'all ready?
No, wait,
As soon as the door comes down, we go.
I was smart. Oh my god! Bro! Oh my! The race is not over.
No!
Yes! Yo, I'm gonna end the video here. My Oculus is low. Bye.
Who the heck just laughed like this?